Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over here is to analyze the financial market, like, chop it up in pieces so each and everyone can understand. Tradingview Thursdays, right? You know we do it on a Thursday right now. Today, we're gonna take a look at how to write text on Tradingview and how to label a chart with a call out. Call out option is something that I love to use whenever I'm marking up a chart. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, so how do we write a text on the chart? So watch me now. You're gonna come this, see here cursor, right? We got our line tools, Fibonacci, right? We have our geometric shapes, and then we're gonna come down to the annotation tool. So we're gonna go into annotation tools, right? So in annotation tools, you're just gonna click this arrow right here. So you have the text, right? And what we're gonna talk about today is the text and the call out, right? So these are two things that I like to use. There are several other things that I'm gonna cover, right, over the coming weeks. So, well, let's take a look at the text. So click on the text, right? Then bam, you click anywhere, right? And you could write, right, testing, right? Bam. So right, bam, you have testing. You could like hold on it, like move it any little way, right? So this is one of the tools that I use to label the charts, right? And let's look at it. Just like we mentioned before with the lines, right? You could like right click on it, go to settings. You could change the color, right? Bam, right? See the color change, right? Bam, you could like put it there, right? I like to use yellow because I use like dark background, right? So you could also change the size, right? Bam, right? Bam, but I like to use 14, right? You could bold it, right? You could italize it, and so on, right? So that is how you write a text. Let's move on to a call out, right? Another function that I like to use is the call out function. So you come right here, bam. So if I want to give instruction to my team, or like say something like this, like let's say price did this and did that, I would say like bam, right? Wait for retest here, right? Alright, so bam, wait for retest here. So this is a call out. This is a nice tool that I like to use. You could like resize it, move it anywhere about like that, right? You could move here, right? Move it like that. You could also now, when you go into it, you could change the background, obviously, to, right? So let me go over here, change it to red, right? Blue, and so on, right? I like to use yellow, right? You could change the writing as well, right? Orange, thereabout. I like to use yellow and white. That's what I like to use. You could bold it, italize it, same thing like you do with the text, right? Hope you guys get a little bit more understanding of Tradingview from this video, right? And remember, you can always sign up for Tradingview by clicking the link in the description below, right? As well as if there's anything you'd like to see me cover on Tradingview, right? Just reach out to me on social media by contacting me with the information below in the description, or just drop a comment. And if you're not on social media, just shoot me an email and I'll definitely try my very best to assist you. So big up to everyone and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.